if you do the salon treatment, hair thing, rebonding, straightening, permanent coloring, your hair are going to go for a toss.
That's I think
because it's a very strong chemical exposure. If you
right.
really want to go for it, tell your hairstylist or whatever, leave the 4 inches near the root. That is the easiest tip I can give you. If you want to go for rebonding, straightening, permanent hair cutting, at least 4 inches near the root. Don't meddle with your root, because once you do that, it's gone.
Hi guys, I'm Shailendra and I'm very pleased to introduce you guys to one of the finest, one of the best dermatologists in Delhi. Her name is Dr. Anvika. So over to ma'am. If you could please tell people a bit about you.
Alright, so hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anvika Mittal and I have been practicing dermatology since last 10 years in Delhi.
The couple of things that we definitely want to ask you about dermatology as well. A couple of issues that people generally face in winter. Since we are in winters and we face a lot of issues. Probably we'll start with the hair that in winters I'm sure that you also get a lot of patients also say that I have heavy hair fall with the dandruff. Is there anything that you recommend them for home-based remedy or something like that?
So almost everybody is having hair fall. So first of all, I tell 30 to 40 to 50 strands per day falling is normal. They keep falling and they get replaced by the new hair strand.
Okay.
So that much is not called hair fall.
Okay.
If you have beyond 50 strands falling per day, you have actually medical hair fall. Right?
Okay.
That's when you should seek help. Now the major cause for hair fall is nutritional deficiency. Ideally 30 to 40% of our daily diet should be raw. Then only the right amount of nutrients and vitamins get into our food, get into our body.
Okay.
We are eating all cooked food. Tell me how much of your daily diet is raw?
Nothing. Everything is cooked.
So the moment your food gets onto the gas, it gets heated up, the vitamins and minerals starts dying.
Right.
So you have to eat raw food. I tell everybody have two teaspoons of this seeds mixture, flax seeds, watermelon, papaya, pumpkin. They are full of vitamins and minerals.
Absolutely.
Have raw food. Have a ball of fruits every day. Have a ball of salad every day. Have avla. Have dates.
Okay.
So start increasing the raw food into your diet. Otherwise, nutritional deficiency, you will have hair fall.
Okay.
Secondly, the second cause of hair fall is that in hard water. Whichever colony you are living, in case there is hard water. That hard water means there are lots of phosphates and sulfates in the water.
Right.
You have to invest in a water softener. So you have to buy a water softener and put it into your tap and shower. Many people come and tell, when I was in this city, it was all okay. The moment I moved to this city,
this happened.
That's because of the water change. The water was hard probably.
Right.
So make sure wherever you are living, you are not washing your hair with the hard water.
Okay.
Nutritional is one thing.
Okay.
If you do the salon treatment, hair thing, rebonding, straightening, permanent coloring, your hair are going to go for a toss.
That's I think
because it's a very strong chemical exposure. If you really want to go for it, tell your hairstylist or whatever, leave the 4 inches near the root. That is the easiest tip I can give you. If you want to go for rebonding, straightening, permanent hair cutting, at least 4 inches near the root. Don't meddle with your root, because once you do that, it's gone. So these are the 3 major causes I tell you people are having, because nobody has virgin hair. Everybody come with rebonding, straightening, coloring or whatever.
This is actually in trend, and this is actually become a part of lifestyle.
And then they sell you even more expensive shampoos and conditioners. Okay, that will take care of the damage. That will not happen.
That doesn't happen at all.
That doesn't happen at all. So because the root has been damaged by the chemical, how will the shampoo and conditioner repair
That's again a chemical, I think. That's
again a chemical. So don't fall into this prey of multinational companies. First they sell their rebonding, straightening, coloring, and then they sell their expensive shampoos and conditioners. Please, if you can avoid all these things, avoid. If you really want to get into it, 4 inches beyond the hair root, just leave that thing. Don't wash your hair with the hard water. Take care of that thing. And nutritional deficiency, take care of that. Please have lots of raw food. So these 3 tips I will give for hair fall.
Amazing. And the last question that I have for you is that's for skin. Again, in winters, there's, I'm sure that again you have a lot of patients saying this, that we have dry skin. How do we really take care of that?
Now, dry skin is a major issue. I keep getting patients in winters who said we are scratching, they're itching all over their body. The cause is dry skin. Why you have dry skin is because of the soaps. And whatever soap you are using, they all are full of chemicals. You may name the best of the brands. They are harmful chemicals. 50 years down the lane, nobody used to use soaps. They used to bathe with besan or dahi or whatever. Right. So nobody used to have that problem. Skin problems were not major issue. So imagine you are washing yourself with surf every day. What will happen to your skin? It will become dry and damaged, and you will have itching problem. And in winters, because you are having bathing with warm water, so that again dries your skin.
Right.
And even the moisture in the air is also low in winters, so that adds to it. So that's why you have lots of itching. So I tell this 3-step procedure. The moment you get into the bathroom, you remove your clothes, put flaxseed oil all over your body. flaxseed oil, alsi ka tel. So that contains omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids that will hydrate your skin. Before bathing, you have to put oil. In India, people put oil afterwards. Before bathing, you put oil.
Is there any, I'm sorry to interrupt you, is there any time duration that people have to keep in mind?
No, that's what I'm saying. When you enter the bathroom, when you remove the clothes, just apply oil and then take bath with and water. So this is not at all time consuming. Right? Then if you take bath, I tell Dove is the mildest soap in the market which does not leave your skin dry. I have nothing to do with Dove, no commercial interest. But I tell everybody use Dove body wash or soap. Okay, ditch all your herbal soaps and all that. They all have chemicals in it. So bathe only with Dove, and immediately after patting yourself dry with the towel, apply a good body moisturizer. So these 3 steps, these are not medicines. So they just keep your skin hydrated. So if your skin is hydrated in winters, you will not have that dryness and itching issues. So people are itching and they don't know the cause is dryness, and they don't know the cause of dryness is their soap.
That's where I think people, again, we have to connect with people like you, those who actually tell people that this is the problem, and if this is the problem, then this is the solution, and that's how we can fix it.
I have dry skin. Forget winters. Even if in summers I don't follow these 3 steps, I'll keep itching because I have genetically dry skin.
Yeah, I understand.
So these 3 steps I have to follow throughout the year.
Great, thank you so much, Doctor. It was wonderful talking to you.